Magte-take ka ba ng BSBA major in Human Resource Management? O kaya naman, BSBA student ka? Yes, ang sagot mo, ang video na to ay para sa'yo. Pero bago ang lahat, my name is Mars Trinidad. Tara, aral tayo! Ano nga ba ang BSBA Major in Human Resource Management? Of course, ang BSBA Major in Human Resource Management is a 4-year program sa college. It is related sa hiring, training, and development ng isa sa mga mahalagang resources ng isang organization, which is the employees. It focuses on the employees at sa lahat ng aspeto kung paano mo patatakbuhin or ima-manage yung mga empleyado. Program na to, you will learn about how to organize, coordinate, and manage the organization's human capital in order for you to carry out the organization's vision, mission, and business objectives. In short, sa program na to, you will learn about recruitment, training, compensation, and development ng mga empleyado. Pati yung retaining and